Now I just got this new thing, and it has been a game changer for me. Now you may not need one, but you're definitely going to want one. Now this can almost repair any damages on your drone. Now what I'm talking about is a 3D printer. Now I've used some of them in the past, but I've never owned one. So I only would print off a few pieces here and there. But I recently got one, and I've been printing non-stop. This thing has been running day and night, printing almost everything you can think of. The nice thing is that you can go through and scan either real world objects in, or you can go through and build them yourself, or you can also go through and just search it up. Now, I've done this with a ton of things for my drone, either repairing or just kind of enhancing and just doing some cosmetic things, which then can help me fly better or just add a few things to kind of make it better overall. Now, there's only a few reasons why you would want one, and that's one, if you're going to be printing off a lot of things. Because if not, you can always go online and either buy prints, because if you only have a few parts that you want to get printed off, and you can just go online and print them off somewhere else. And that's what I've done in the past. But for me, I knew I had a lot more parts that I needed to print, and it just made more sense to buy one. There's so much printers on the market, and I'm not going to go in depth which one is the best and which one has the best features. You just want to make sure that it's reliable, it prints well, and that it's going to work for your needs. They're truly a game changer, and I really didn't realize that until I started to actually print things off. And it started to improve my drones, my performance, and almost anything surrounding what I could put on my drones and make my life kind of easier. Now I had parts that I've either broken or I needed to get swapped out. Now it would have cost me way more to go through on their website and buy the official part of it, where they even 3D print some stuff themselves. I went through and I either made them myself or I just went online to find the files and I printed it for a whole lot cheaper. For example, it can be something worth about $20 and you can print it for a few cents. Now, all you just have to decide is if you're going to be printing a lot of things off and if you actually need this. Because I know for me, I've wanted one for a long time, but it was always a want. Until recently, I know I had to start printing off a lot more things, so it turned into more of a need, and it just made more sense to buy one. It just depends on what you're going to be doing, and if you really need it. Well, I'm Zane Shaw, and keep flying.